Okay, so I'm gonna make a video today to teach you and show you how to fix the furnace. If your furnace is like trying to start and then you hear it that it starts but then it turns off, okay, the most common problem is the sensor, the flame sensor. Now, if you want to call somebody to come and fix it for you, they're gonna charge you a service fee. And not only they're gonna charge you a service fee, depending on who comes out, if they need money for whatever reason, they may tell you that you need this and you need that, and bada bing and bada bang, okay? So up to you. I'm gonna show you a quick trick on how to fix it or how to do that first to see if it fixes the problem. I done it and it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you here how to do that, okay? Okay, the first thing, you're gonna go ahead and turn it off, okay? Turn that off. You're gonna see that every furnace have something like that, so turn that off. And then what you're gonna do, all right, look for those screws. There's one here, and there should be one on the other side, okay? And then there are two little ones right there. So I need you to go ahead and remove that. And then I'm going to show you where the firing pin may be located at. These are the tools that you're going to need. Something like this, okay? You're going to need a screwdriver if that's what you need for that. And a very tiny screwdriver just in case that sensor pin is hidden in a location that you cannot use the bigger screwdriver, okay? If you are a homeowner, you should be learning how to do these things because more than likely that's gonna happen. Okay, so now you're gonna push this up, okay? You're gonna take this, you're gonna push it up, and now you can move the one in the bottom first. And now you get that out. And bada boom, there it is. Okay, so you have to look for the firing pin, the sensor pin. Now, what I like to do, I like to look through here, okay, to see if I can find it, okay? Once you find the pin, then you gotta find out where is it located. Mine is located right there. Do you see that? So you have to move that screw, remove that screw, and get the firing pin out. Now, like I said, if you try to put a long screwdriver there, it's not gonna be able to, you won't be able to get it. So this small screwdriver, this little screwdriver, is gonna definitely help you. Okay, so let's get on that right now. Okay, so you go ahead and find it, you go ahead and remove it. And you know, they actually come in different shapes. So don't worry if yours doesn't look like that one. And once you have it out, all you have to do is take the sandpaper and or something to clean that off. Clean that off completely. Okay. All right, so once you are done fixing it, just put everything back. Now to put this back, okay, there's a trick. First of all, take this one, put it in here first. Okay. You gotta make sure that this thing is put in there the right way, okay? Now, lift it up, and then this thing right here, you see that? That goes down. So get that down like that. Okay, now make sure that it goes in, and now you can drop this down like that, okay? Now, you go ahead and you put the screws back. Okay guys, so listen up. What I like to do Also, you take sandpaper to clean that firing pin. Okay, I do it with sandpaper or whatever you have that will clean up. Take the sandpaper, take the firing pin, and then you take this and you clean that out. Once you clean that out, it's gonna remove all the dust and everything that it's in that firing pin, and trust me, it's gonna work for the most part. Now, so to do a review, not the firing pin, the firing sensor, the sensor pin. Oh my God, firing pin. So to review what you have to do, you have to remove this. First, turn it off, remove the front cover, find out where the sensor pin is, the flame sensor pin is located. And once you do that, take it out carefully. Make sure that you remember what screws goes where. Make sure that you remember how the firing pin goes in there. It's very simple, okay? So don't be afraid. Take sandpaper, clean that flame sensor pin, clean it up very nicely. Put it back, put the screw back, put the cover back, turn that back on, and test it out to see if it fixed the problem. 90% of the time, it's gonna fix the problem. So don't be afraid to do it. If you are afraid to do it, go ahead and call somebody. Like I said, you have to be careful who you call, because if they need money to pay their bills, you have no idea what they're gonna tell you that you need to replace. So up to you. Like I said, you are a homeowner. You should be learning how to do these things. Okay? So that's that. Hopefully it works. If you have any questions, go ahead and type the questions. If this video helped you, let me know that it helped you. And go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to subscribe, because I make videos on how to, random videos that will help you in your life, okay, in your daily lives. So don't be afraid, guys. Don't be afraid, girls and guys. I'm not an expert, okay? I have no knowledge on how to fix furnaces. However, I need to learn how to do certain things. You need to learn. Don't be afraid. Open your mind up and learn how to do these things. So my furnace is all fixed. Everything works beautifully. I don't have to call nobody to come and fix it. So it was a free repair. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.